Greetings from the National Campus Community Radio Association located in Ottawa. This is Patrick, the project coordinator with an overview of the search system, the advanced search filters, and saved search for users within the earshot-distro distribution system, or eDDS for short. Let's start on the broadcaster dashboard of the eDDS. At the top of the page, we will find the search bar next to the eDDS logo. This search bar can be used to initiate a search within the eDDS. Within the search bar, you can add metadata such as song name, artist name, album name, and ISRC code. To initiate a search, you will need to select the bar by clicking on it, add any information you would like, and then press Enter on your keyboard to start the search. If you desire to see every song available in the eDDS, you can simply select the search bar and press Enter to initiate the search for every song. Once a search has been initiated, you will be taken to the search results page. From here, you can see every song that meets the criteria of your search. To start off, all search results are displayed in order based on the release date within the eDDS. Each song will display their title, album, artist, rating, and genre on the search results page. From here, you can listen to a song by clicking on the album art, and the song details page can be accessed by clicking on the title. On the left side of the page, you will find the advanced search filters. These can be used to narrow down the search results. Once you have tailored a search to your desired specifications, you can save the search to be used at a later date without the need to set up the search parameters again. For example, let's say we want to save the search parameters for folk music from artists based in Ottawa. Once we have specified these filters, we can go to the bottom of the advanced search filters and enter a name for this search. In this instance, let's call it Folk Ottawa and press Enter to save the search. Now, when we return to the dashboard, we will see the Folk Ottawa saved search. And by clicking on it, the eDDS will perform a search with the specified parameters. And with that, this has been an overview of the various search functionalities within the eDDS. The next video in the series will cover the song details page, review later option, folders, and tags. If you have any questions about the eDDS, please contact eDDS@ncra.ca for help. Thanks for joining us, and have a good day.